Let's unbox the NearScreen VM20 Pro and check all accessories. This is the sealed VM20 Pro box. Let's open it up. In the box, VM20 Pro, remote, USB cable, and A20 wireless transmitter converter. Type-C mic charge 2 in 1 adapter, manual and warranty card. The camera has a standard 1/4 mounting thread on its bottom for tripods. The NA20 transceiver enables wireless audio and video transmission. This 2-in-1 cable works for power supply and external mic connection.